Hi, I'm Kim Matlock, Principal Product Manager of Microsoft Teams Rooms, and I'm joined today here with Carrie Clements, Market Development Director for Shure. Shure is one of the most respected names in the audio industry, known for its iconic products like the SM58 and industry-defining contributions in live sound, studio recording, and conferencing. And today, we'll be talking about legacy, innovation, and what's next for the company. Carrie, thanks for being here.
No, thanks, Kim. It's been so fun to talk with you this week and to join you today.
Before we dive in, I hear there's a major milestone at Shure this year. Care to share the news with us?
Oh, we are so excited. So Shure is celebrating their 100-year anniversary. We're celebrating a century of innovations. Since 1925, we've been the forefront of technology. We've started off with radio components involved to microphones. We've empowered presidential speeches and iconic performances. It's been an amazing year for sure.
Well, 100 years is no small feat, especially in an industry that is constantly evolving. What do you think has allowed Shure to not only survive, but to lead decade after decade?
Yeah, I think the legacy is founded on dedication to quality, reliability, and pushing the limits to whatever is possible.
Well, looking ahead, what are some of the projects and innovations that you're most excited about right now at Shure?
My goodness. So we have our Telemix room kits, which have been incredibly amazing. We announced them at ISE this year, and they are certified for Microsoft Teams rooms. Everything you need to know for high quality audio conferencing is in this kit. We're super excited about it. And I think, just to back up a little bit, our collaboration with Microsoft has been super crucial to innovating and creating these new products and making sure that we are streamlining all the work that we're doing together, but also, working for this new hybrid work environment. And as we're ever evolving, changing things. So it's been a great partnership so far. But yeah, the Telemix room kits, huge. We're super excited. Definitely see our website, or you can stop by our booth today. We're number 208, and we've got the kit there. We're excited about it. We've got a full Shure staff to welcome you and consult you on whatever is needed.
Well, what comes in these kits? So, customers know kind of what they can do to put the rooms together.
So great question, and thanks for asking. We have 5 components that are in these kits. So one is the window-based Teams Rooms Compute, which is pre-installed with Shure's Telemix DSP software. And we have our touch panel, which provides easy control and interaction. And then we have our MXA 902 ceiling array, microphone and loudspeaker, which provides exceptional sound and full room coverage. And then the Hudley camera solution. So that is AI-powered camera that automatically frames participants and optimizes the full video experience in the room. But not only that, we provide all the networks, switches, cables, and accessories, so you don't have to run to Home Depot for the connectivity and power that is needed for it to set it up. At the end of the day, this kit is effortlessly deployable, and it's for small, medium, and large rooms, and seamlessly integrates with the Teams environment.
It's awesome, and a great addition to the Teams Rooms family of devices. Yeah, it's going to be great. Well, we really appreciate your partnership and certainly your participation at this event. Can you tell us, some of the activities that you're involved with at this conference?
So at this conference, we were involved in the pre-day, and we have a booth here. And we're welcome to be on one-on-one customer meetings. So we've been excited. If you're interested and involved or want to have questions about our equipment, we'll be happy to help.
Thanks, Carrie, so much for sharing all of the Shure news.
Thank you.
And thanks all of you for watching.